Our next example is E, that is 555 multiplied by 997. Next is E, it is 555 multiplied by 997. So just carefully observe this number. It is closer to 1000. It is close to 1000. Okay, so that is, we can write this 997 as 1000 minus 3. Okay, and then we can multiply it by 555. So when this 555 is multiplied to 1000, we will write it as 555 multiplied by 1000. This will be one bracket, then there is a minus sign, so we will write here minus. Again 555 multiplied by 3, so this will be 555 multiplied by 3. So 555 multiplied by 1, first we will multiply it by 1, so this will be 555 and then 3 zeros, 1 2 3, so 1 2 3 zeros. Okay, minus 555 multiplied by 3, we don't know what it is, so let us multiply. 555 multiplied by 3, this will be 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, plus 1 16, 3 5s are again 15, plus 1 16. This will be what? 1665. Okay, now subtract 1665 from 55000. 5661. Okay, so here we will borrow. This will become 4, this will become 10, this will become 9, this will become 10, this will become 9, this will become 10. Okay, so 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 6 3, 4 minus 1 3, 5 5. So our answer is 5 5 3 3 3 and then 5. Okay, so this is E. Last example is F. So this will be 612 multiplied by 102. Observe this 102 carefully. This is close to 100. So 100 plus 2. It can be split as 100 plus 2. 612 multiplied by 100 plus 2. So 612 we will multiply by 100 and then 612 will multiply to 2. So 612 multiplied by 100 into bracket plus 612 multiplied by 2. So 612 ones are 612 and then 2 zeros are there in 100, so we'll write 2 zeros. Okay, plus 612 into 2, that is 2 2s are 612 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So this is 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. 1 2 2 4. So we don't know the addition. Let us add 61200 plus 4 2 2 1. So this will be 4 2 4 2 6. So our answer is 6 2 4 2 4. So this is our final answer. That's all for today. In the next lesson we will see example number 3, example number 4, example number 5, example number 6.